be back after these messages.
There it goes, it's 10 o'clock. Sorry, should be starting right now. I hear it right now. There we go. I knew it. First Tuesday. Heck is loud. First time on my phone. Now, all the T1s are going attack mode, and the Thunderbolt over there is going to alert mode. Heck was loud. I knew it. Remember, kids, it's the first Tuesday of the month. Every first Tuesday in Illinois. Everywhere in Illinois. This is a 3-minute attack. It was a minute for alerts. T128 is closer, but I can't see it. That's the Thunderbolt over there by the Mexican store. One by where the Safe Farm used to be. One on Washington Street. One by Bloomington Walmart. One that's been replaced, the Thunderbolt 1000 on 6 Points Road, is a brand new T128 that installed in April 2024. Maybe March 2024 or something. Probably April. Oh no. Yep. And there's one over by Parkside Junior High and Elementary. Over the one by Normal West. Speaking of which, there's a plane. Well, don't worry. We're not worried about this plane. Stupid plane. I'm worried about this siren test. This one. This one over here. This one over by, a little bit far by Rivian Inn. And the one over by McDonald's and Hut Station is on Main and Hamilton Road. Yep. Heck, what? Is it over? I think the testing is done. It's over with. They're going off. The 2T22 has been removed and 3 years ago. I think it was the first Tuesday. Think it's over with until next month, next Tuesday, first Tuesday of September. Let's go back inside. It stinks. Smells like sewer. From this one. Gross. Yes. Yes, yes. Thank God it's over. Now let's go to my room. Get on my way. I'm sorry. Let's go to my room. This is my room. You're wondering. Put this headphones with and we'll have a talk. So and there were more LT-128s and few Thunderbolts. And then 2001. The 2001 was on Pepperidge. Thanks. Won by Community. Right. So, before I end this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my new channel that I just uploaded. And speaking of which, I have a new phone called Motorola Laser 2023. I just bought it from my dad in April 24th, 2024. Thanks you all. Better subscribe to my channel. I'll make more next time. And subscribe to his channel too. And you're wondering, this was the first Tuesday of the month. Siren test. Remember kids, the siren tests on first Tuesday go off every 10 a.m. at first Tuesday in the mornings. Monthly. It'll try again on next month on first Tuesday, the September 3rd. Well, thanks for watching everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed my new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video soon. Bye! Catch you soon.